Once you have the install file on your USB drive and you put the USB drive into the GTAC tablet, go into the Android File Explorer or File Manager, open the USB drive, find the install file, and while you're here, note the version number, 3.0.4092 in this case. Select that item. When you're asked to install it, say yes, go ahead. At the end of the install, you'll usually be asked if you want to open it. Go ahead and do that. If it's the first time you're installing on this device, or if this is a major upgrade, you may be asked to choose whether or not to allow some privileges. Allow them all, and you're now in the application. You've installed and started the MagNav application. Now, go into the info page, and right here you'll find the app version that you're running here. That should match the app version that you saw when you looked at the install file at the beginning of this process. There you go. We have installed a new version of MagNav onto the Android tablet.